these tools that I'm talking about are coming from Six Sigma. I'm a certified Six Sigma black belt. Six Sigma has been around for a very long time. And I've been using these tools in my work in the service industry. And since I started my business, I could use this because this Six Sigma is basically product based, and it's about coming up with awesome products that cannot fail technically, although it can fail. So I sell in the rock climbing area. That's my niche. It's kind of pretty new in Australia. There's not a lot of climbers. So it's still appearing. The gyms coming up, people are climbing, but compared to USA, maybe it's a bit slow. So about this tool, this is basically a product identification or product prioritization tool that you can say.
And what's the tool called? What was the tool called? It's
Kano model. It's named after the inventor. It's a Japanese tool, so it's a Japanese product, you can say. I think the inventor's full name is Noriaki Kano. This tool was came up in the 80s from Japan. And since then, it's been a part of the Six Sigma toolkit. And basically, it's a tool used for product prioritization and to come up with new ideas about a product. That's my job. I'm a data and quality specialist. And I've been using Six Sigma and maybe TRIS. TRIS is a similar concept. It's a Russian concept that's a lot more powerful and may be applicable to this community. TRIS is, in English, TRIS is a theory of inventive problem solving. It's a Russian idea. And some of the tools, I only did level 1 of TRIS as a part of it's a certification program. And I found it very useful. It takes time to complete that. Even the level 1 was hard for me. It took 1 year of effort for me to pass that level 1. But some of those tools provided in that TRIS program itself is very useful. It looks at the product upside down, in a completely different way. And it kind of breaks it into different components and allows you to come up with a completely new product altogether. So I was hoping maybe at some point we can invite some of those experts into. But if you Google TRIS tools and YouTube it, you will find some good tools that we can use for our products.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.